In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export a resume template in Notion as a PDF. This is a quick way to create a professional resume that's ready to share with employers. Let's get started. Open Notion and go to the Templates gallery. In the search bar, type Resume or CV and browse the available templates. Choose the template you like, then click Use this template to add it to your workspace. Once the template opens, replace the sample content with your own information. Update your name, contact details, work experience, education, skills, and any other relevant sections. You can also rearrange sections or add new ones to match your needs. After reviewing your resume, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the page and select Export. Choose PDF as the export format. If your resume includes databases or linked content that you want to include, enable the appropriate export options. Click Export, then save the PDF to your computer. Your resume is now ready to share, print, or upload with job applications. That's how to export a resume template in Notion. Thanks for watching.